Hi, Sam here. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will be doing an unboxing of a Coach Kip Crossbody from Saks Fifth Avenue. This bag is not available in Australia, so Lottie had to get it from America. She must like this bag so much that she had to get it from somewhere else. Now I'm excited, so come on, let's open it up. I'm having a moment here. I feel like I'm lying on an air mattress. Anyway, here's the bag wrapped in this package. Now let me quickly open it up for you. Ta-da! So this is what it looks like. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis bag, only in a smaller size. Here are the bags side by side. If I invert the Kip bag, it would look like it is half of the Pochette Métis size. And look, the bag could actually fit inside it. I know for a fact that Lottie loves the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis bag so much, and she's looking for a smaller size of it. So I guess that's the reason why she got this bag. This is the third bag from the Coach Originals collection designs that Lottie has. For some reason, these vintage-looking bags are drawing Lottie into them. I guess it's their understated classic look. They don't have too much logos on the bag itself. Also, the glove-tanned leather that the bag is made of, which will develop a patina unique to each wearer, will only get more beautiful with time. Lottie loves simple yet good quality leather bags, and the leather on the Coach Originals collection are so soft, and I love how they smell too. I'm looking at Lottie's receipt here. It says that she got this bag for $309.22 Australian dollars. To get the bag over here, she had to pay a shipping fee of $15 plus $32.42 for taxes, which isn't bad at all. So now, let's take a closer look at this bag. Lottie got the black color. As far as I know, there are two other colors available. They are the natural color, which is similar to the light saddle color or light brown. And the other color is the chalk, which is almost a white. The bag is made of a genuine glove-tanned leather with a signature turn lock in brass. The bag has a flat handle on top that you can push down if you don't want to use it handheld or as a clutch. It came in with a long strap so you can use the bag as a shoulder or crossbody bag. There is a T-ring on both sides of the bag for you to fasten the straps. The hang tag also dangles on one of the D-rings too. Most, if not all, Coach bags have these cute dog tags, which I love. The bag is made up of one piece of leather wrapped from the front up to the opening of the slip pocket at the back. Then the other piece for the flap to the back to complete the bag. As this leather is wrapped around the bag, it forms a curved part at the bottom. The bag will not stand on its own. Either you lay it on its back or prop it up onto something to let it stand. But I don't mind that, nor does Lottie. Now, let's take a look at the back of the bag. It has a slip pocket that can fit a regular iPhone or Pro. The strap, by the way, is also made of leather. It has a lobster clasp, a brass buckle, and has 7 holes to adjust it to your desired length. The strap has a 21.5 inches drop for shoulder or crossbody wear. I have requested Lottie to try it on so you can see how it sits in the body. For reference, she is 5 feet and 3 inches tall. Her vital statistics are, oops, I should shut my mouth, otherwise I'll end up in the bin. Nah. Let's get back to business. She had adjusted the length to the 3rd hole from the longest. So here how it looks like on the body. Here's another picture of her holding the bag by its top handle. It has a 1 1/4 inches drop. Now let's have a look inside the bag. The bag opens up to one compartment. The flap of the bag has no lining, but the inside of the bag is lined with a fabric lining in a grayish color. There is a large slip pocket inside, trimmed with leather, which can fit a regular size phone. The Coach Creed, stamped on leather, is attached to the slip pocket. On the other side, there are two tiny slip pockets for credit cards. Now, let's measure this bag. The length of the bag is 7 inches. The height is 5 1/4 inches. And the width is 2 inches. Let's see what we can fit in this bag. I have a Louis Vuitton agenda in the PM size here, a Louis Vuitton 4-key holder. I have Lottie's car keys with a key ring and a card holder. I also have, by the way, a compact pressed powder from Clinique, a miniature Clinique Happy perfume, and a lipstick. Now it's all in there. Amazing! I can close the bag without any trouble. Now, let me show you something else to give you a better idea on what this bag can hold. I have a Louis Vuitton mini pochette. I have Lottie's car keys with a key ring and a 4-key holder. I also have a Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, Lottie's gate remote control with a key ring, the compact pressed powder, perfume, and lippy. Wow, that really sounds a lot. But what I'll do is, I'll put the car keys and the gate remote control inside the mini pochette together with the powder, lippy, and perfume. And then, I'll put the mini pochette inside the bag together with a 4-key holder and wallet. And here is how it looks. It's all organized. I didn't have any issues closing the bag too. Lastly, I'll show you what Lottie carries with her every single time. Here are her essentials. A 4-key holder, her car keys with a key ring, a Louis Vuitton Verso card holder / wallet, and an umbrella. There, I got everything in, and I was also able to close the bag. Isn't it amazing how this tiny bag can hold a lot? It's really a good bag. I hope this helped if you're contemplating in getting this bag. It is a good run for your money. If you love a compact, simple, not so expensive contemporary bag, I highly recommend this one. That's all for now, folks. See you next time, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Till next time, bye!